Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's underground commission engine review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. I'm live in my all-time here for the product underground commission engine, and this is the Warrior Plus marketplace where you receive your commissions. Column in the right hand side over here, this commission column, you'll see that I've now earned $15.50. Current sales in the next column across are $18. And the product column over here on the left hand column, I'm going to show you, I've sold two products. I'm going to show you a bit later on how you can promote one link and you can earn multiple commissions, including a high ticket commission of $199. And that's without buying that product. So I'll just show you a bit later on how that works. So more importantly in this video, if you're not familiar with this product, it's a very cheap and simple and easy traffic source. So it's a training system of tutorials, and you're going to get, once you set the system up, you're going to get autopilot daily traffic. Now what I like about it is that there's no monthly membership costs. So just a one-time payment will come to the price shortly, because sometimes prices do go up over time after the launch. And you can earn high ticket affiliate commissions of up to $199. And I put there no need to buy. So when you become a member of Underground Commission Engine, you automatically get an affiliate link to promote the offer. And I'll just show you some of these a bit later on. But you don't have to buy the high ticket. You don't have to pay $199 to be able to earn those high ticket affiliate commissions. Now this product is perfect for beginners without an audience. So if you're somebody who's quite new to affiliate marketing, if you haven't got an email list yet, if you haven't got a social media following, then you're going to be promoting to a huge and absolutely massive pre-built audience. I'll show you in the members area how that works. You're going to get step-by-step video tutorials, so you can just follow it with ease, and case study proof that the system actually works. I'm also going to give you my bonus at the end of the video to help you get Underground Commission Engine for free and potentially get you into profit, because you earn 100% commissions on the front end of this system as an affiliate. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or product claims or guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. And let's just have a look now. And first of all, who are you going to be buying your system from, and who's been doing case study, who's been testing this system out? This on the video here, which is on the sales page, is Jeremy Kennedy. Now, Jeremy Kennedy has been a full-time affiliate marketer for years. Seven-figure earner, top one. He's a super affiliate, so he knows exactly not only how to help you become successful, he also knows how to train and coach. He's a superb coach and trainer. That's what I like about his systems. Now he's going to show you how he's been getting thousands of clicks. Oops, scrolling down a bit there. How he's been getting thousands of clicks. That's a bit slippery today. How he's been getting hundreds of subscribers. And also how he's getting a flood of sales on autopilot once everything's set up. And he's calling it the easiest, cheapest, weirdest hidden traffic source that you've probably never ever seen. So what it is, this is members area here. I'm inside the members area. and it gives you, first of all, a bird's eye view in this first tutorial. Now you'll see it says here PTC domination. Now PTC, the traffic source it is using is PTC, and that stands for pay to click. And inside these traffic sources, they've been online for over 20 years, so they're very solid and known and trusted. This particular one here, NeoBooks, what happens is, it's important to know here, because what happens is that the members of these paid-to-click traffic sites, they have to click on the adverts inside the members area to make money. So they're already logging in and they're already in a mindset of wanting to make money. They are members that have to click on adverts. They're going to be clicking on your adverts. So every time they click on an advert, they make money. And then your advert pops up and it shows them probably a better way of making money. So it's really the just I want you to understand the mindset of the members of these sites that are going to be clicking on your adverts and why they're in that mindset of ready to buy. So it gives you all this. It gives you you set up a NeoBooks account for free. It gives you a spreadsheet of more pay-to-click sites, so you can choose from different ones. It gives you a link to a free System.io account. So with a System.io account, you can build an email list up to 2,000 subscribers for free and follow up on autopilot with an email autoresponder series. It goes through all that. It shows you here how to sign up for affiliate commissions. So like I've just shown you there, the affiliate commissions that I've earned. Click here to get your affiliate link on Warrior Plus. So you become automatically approved when you become a member of Underground Commission Engine. And then he also shows you in Module 3 where to find offers to promote. So he's showing you the actual offers that he's been promoting as an affiliate, where to find them. Next module is great here. It's how to set your ads up, step-by-step tutorial. So you're watching over the shoulder of a 7-figure earner how to build an email list, how to follow up, how to set your adverts up. Everything's here that you need. Now, we've done a couple of case studies here, and he goes live. Now, what he does with these, he goes live into the account and he refreshes the page. And he refreshes the page as the clicks come in. He refreshes the page as the subscribers come in to build your email list, and as the sales are coming in. Very transparent. Another case study here. So he's very transparent on how he's getting clicks for 0.0004 cents per click. 7 cents. Yeah, that's the price per click, but he's getting 7 pennies, 7 cents per subscriber, and he made his $30 back immediately. So a lot of the money can be made by following up with other offers. He goes through that with you as well. So it's a great set of tutorials. It's really beginner friendly. Everything you need is here in the members area to be able to succeed with the system. The current price is $9. That's a one-time payment, so there's no monthly membership cost with that. And I'll show you now as an affiliate how you can earn high ticket commissions. So it shows you in the members area, like I mentioned there, how to get your affiliate link. That's mine in the top left hand corner there. And the 7 products here within the system. Now you'll see in the commission column on the right hand side is paying you 100% commission on the front end. So you only need to get one referral, and then once you've got one referral, then your system is paid for. Got your $9 back. And then down here on the left hand side, it's got these other 6 products in the system. There's different upgrades. They're all great value. But you don't have to buy them yourself if you don't want to do. You can buy them if you think they're going to help you make money faster and benefit you. But this one here is called the $500 Pops Done For You system. It teaches you how to earn $500 high ticket commissions. And if your referrals buy that, you will earn, the right hand column over here, you'll earn a one-time payment of $199, even if you don't buy it yourself. So that's what I like about these Warrior Plus products. The opportunity, the potential is there to be earn high ticket commissions. So you can potentially pay $9, get your product for free with one referral, carry on promoting, and then potentially earn a high ticket affiliate commission of $199. So let me show you now my bonus for you. The link in the description will take you to this page. Click on here to join Underground Commission Engine. And then as a thank you for doing that, I've got a free gift to help you succeed faster. This is as an affiliate. So you come down here and join Proactive Mailer. Just click that link there, that button there. And then what you do, you join that for free. Proactive Mailer is a free safe list mailer. I use it every single day to promote my offers. And then what I'll do is, once you've emailed me your name, I will transfer you 80,000 credits into your Proactive Mailer members area. I can do that from my members area. Now what that will do is that will give you enough credits to email every day for 30 days in a row and promote Underground Commission Engine and potentially earn commissions, and as an absolute minimum get it for free. So that's my email address there. It's also in the description. And then that's my bonus to you. Now, why have I chosen Proactive Mailer? Well, I've chosen Proactive Mailer. It's one of my favourite safe lists because it includes buyers, and the owner of the safe list mailer, Phil, what he does, he cleans out the list on a regular basis. So the only members you're going to be promoting to are proactive members, and they're members that are clicking on the emails to open them and clicking on the links within the email body. So you're going to get clicks. He guarantees you clicks. That's what I like about his mailing list. You sign up here on the left, and then you can use the credits that I give you totally for free as a gesture, and then you can start to promote. Now, you don't have to promote Underground Commission Engine every day if you've got other offers you're promoting, but what you'll see is you will get clicks every single day that you promote. And I'm going to give you enough to promote for 30 days in a row just to get some traction and get some momentum, and let these members see who you are and what you do. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my uploads here on my channel. So currently here on the channel, I'm doing several new uploads every week. And if you've got any questions or comments, excuse me, please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer those for you. And if you do send me an email, I always put my email address in the description. I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.